ya kuheana insurance ya Directline Assurance itanyite gukorwo ikieheria marihi ma mbeca farifari kuri ene ngari cia ukui wa muingi na niguo kumagiririria kurwo ni mbeca ciao iria makoragwo magithukuma. Muikariri giti wa kambuni ino mwena wa Naikuru Innocent Thagari aheanite ndomereri ino akiuga ati matanya mao ni kuhukia turia nime hamwe na kurehe waragania kuri andu othe riria marabatara marihi maya. Mwena wake munene wa motungata maya thiini wa ruhonge rwa insurance bururi-ini Esther Musyoki ni ongereire akiuga ati indo cia bata thiini wa insurance ni kunyihagia ugwati.
Fraudulent claims, and as Directline we are at the front line of really bringing about the cashless platform to be able to get a manifest from which we can be able to roll out any claims which are not, which are genuine, and those which are not genuine.
Once you insure your property and the risk actually crystallizes, then you are able to be taken back to where you were before the incidents. So it's very important that the public understands the importance of insurance.
It is incumbent on the insurance industry to seek ways of covering these new risks as they navigate the emerging business landscape that may have escaped policymakers in the industry.